There are 3 major things you need to be doing if you want your YouTube videos to rank well. In this video, we reveal the easiest and fastest methods that you can implement today that help rank videos on YouTube. In a moment, I'm going to show you one thing that a lot of creators forget about, but it can make a world of difference in video ranking on YouTube. First things first is you want to optimize for SEO. And yes, this is something that everybody talks about, but in addition to that general keyword optimization, which I go over in my previous video, I'll drop a link above, also pay attention to other aspects of SEO, such as video tags, thumbnails, and video length. Create custom thumbnails that are eye-catching and click-worthy. And a super easy way to optimize for SEO is by renaming every single piece of your video with a keyword. It may be your thumbnail, like the actual PNG file. It may be one of the short edits that you include in the video. It may be a picture that you include in the video that you put and lay over on top. It doesn't matter. All of them need to be renamed with keywords. Google's algorithm notices these, and it all factors into the SEO of the video. Also, you want to ensure that your video title is 100% unique. Consider putting the name of your channel at the end of the title just to guarantee it's unique, or include the year that you're uploading it in to gain attention. And secondly, you want to optimize the channel metadata. What exactly is metadata? In the context of YouTube, metadata refers to the information you provide about your channel and individual videos. This includes your channel name, the description, the keywords, video titles, descriptions, tags, and more. Your channel is the hub for all your content, so it's essential to make sure it's fully optimized. Of course, start with your channel name. Choose a name that's catchy, easy to remember, and of course, relevant to your content. You can use ChatGPT to give you an array of options, which is what many creators do, and tweak it if you want it to be different. And don't stop asking ChatGPT for options until you see one that you like. I did the exact same thing. Next, you want to craft a compelling channel description that clearly explains what your channel is about and includes relevant keywords. You can use a keyword research tool to do this, or you can also just use ChatGPT to help you with your description and make sure to formulate it with keywords. Your channel art is the first thing that viewers see when they visit your channel. Make sure it's visually appealing and accurately represents your brand or your content theme. If purple is your theme, make sure there's purple in your thumbnail. If your face is your theme, make sure your face is in your thumbnail. Canva is a great resource to use for this, as they have countless free templates available and ultra high quality download. And you can also, of course, get the paid version. I do, but it's not necessary. You also want to ensure that you have playlists set up on your channel, and you want to fill them as time goes on and make sure you keep them up to date. And you can name your playlists things that are about your keywords or are your keywords in a nutshell. One thing that a lot of creators forget about, but it can make a world of difference in video ranking, is promoting your videos. You want to share your videos on social media platforms, relevant forums, and communities to attract more viewers and create backlinks. Creating backlinks to your YouTube videos can help improve their visibility and ranking in the search engine results. A backlink is a hyperlink from one web page to another web page. Backlinks are crucial for SEO because search engines like Google consider them as votes of confidence or endorsements for a web page. And there are countless ways to create backlinks for your videos, such as sharing on other social medias, forums, yada, yada, yada. Specifically, you can share them to pages on Facebook that are relevant to your video niche, or on Reddit forums about your niche. This sends social signals to the YouTube algorithm that help your videos ranking and performance. Essentially, it doesn't matter. I know you're gonna think this is crazy. It really does not matter if someone clicks on your link. Of course, if they click on it, great, that helps even more, but they don't need to for it to help your channel. YouTube can simply think, oh, this link is on a site that gets a ton of traffic or a ton of views. That in and of itself helps your post. It really does. So by implementing these strategies consistently and continuously refining your approach based on your performance data, which is important that you track, I'm making another video on that as well, you can increase the likelihood of ranking your YouTube videos higher in search results and recommendations. In the next video, I am going over the best AI softwares for creating YouTube videos. I'll throw up a link to it on the video so you guys can go have a look, but thanks for watching. Let's go, let's grow.